guys? The Burping here, back in another video. We are finally on time with the burping. So 5 o'clock, 5:30ish. So it's a little bit. It's a few minutes before 5:30. But that's all right. We're on time. We're on time, and I can get this 5 minutes going. I'm hopefully gonna be able to get some friends to. I don't know, maybe one friend, maybe two. I don't know. Hopefully tomorrow we can have some tomorrow. If you remember from my previous videos, Alan, one of my friends, Alan and John, look at the other videos. I said their names. It's not too far, not too previous. It's not too previous or anything. But definitely go check them out and find their names if you can't remember anything. But yeah, let's get to this burping. I'm just letting you guys know. Just giving you guys info about the future stuff that's going to be happening. And I got my almond milk here. And let's start burping. Not bad. Definitely not my best one day. Also, I may get a different outro for the ending of the video. Maybe different music, a lot better quality outro. I'm gonna definitely look for one. I'm gonna try to edit it in and everything and get all the stuff in. That wasn't good. That's not good at all. Alright guys, I think that'll be it for this one today. Yeah, that'll definitely be it for this one, and hope you enjoy the video, and yeah, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.